let's move to the question and answer session. This question states, which of the following is not excretory in function in mammals? A. Lungs. B. Kidney. C. Pancreas. D. Liver. The answer is D. C. Pancreas. And the reason is that pancreas is an endocrine gland and not an excretory gland. This question states, which of the following is not an excretory product in mammals? A. Urea. B. Water. C. Physics. And D. Carbon dioxide. And the answer is C. Physics. That brings us to the difference between excretion and ingestion. Physics is an undigested product. It's the undigested product from digestion, while excretion is metabolic waste, product that has been spent and used by the system, is what make up the excretory product. So that shows the difference between ingestion, which is physics, and the other ones, which are metabolic waste. They came after the end of a process. They were spent, and those are the waste products. While physics is not a waste product, but it was an unused product. Let's go to the next question. The next question states, which of the following is the excretory product of amoeba? And the options are A. Uric acid. B. Ammonia. C. Urea. And D. Amino acid. The correct option is B. Ammonia. Ammonia is the waste product released by the amoeba. Now, the next question. Question number 4. Some unicellular organisms excrete waste through their A. Contractile vacuole. B. Renal tubule. C. Renal gland. And D. Maupingan tubule. And the answer is A. Contractile vacuole. We discussed this earlier in the topic. Next question. It states, which of these organs is involved in the deamination of protein? A. The lungs. B. The kidney. C. The liver. And D. The stomach. The answer is C. Liver. Liver does the deamination of protein, changing it to urea before transporting it to the kidney for excretion. And with that, we've come to the end of this lesson. Please remember to check the advisory beneath the video, and also read and find solutions, get solutions to some of our quiz questions. See you next time.